A modal checkout is a quick and simple way of integrating product sales in your Convertri page. Instead of building your checkout from scratch, simply select a few options and Convertri will automatically create your checkout for you. Before you begin, you must have at least one active payment processor integrated into your Convertri account, as well as a submit button, which is set to open checkout, and a product on your page. Once you have your submit button and the mode is set to open checkout, add a product by clicking the Products tab from the top toolbar. Here you can select your products that you've created, and you can then configure your redirect URL. This is the page that your user will be taken to once the checkout has been submitted. You can preview the checkout by clicking the orange preview button. This will show you a preview of the modal checkout. To close it, click the cross and you'll be returned to the checkout configuration menu. The left-hand tab gives you other options for your modal checkout. For example, the checkout option allows you to put a checkout title, a logo, and select the headings that you want to have displayed on your checkout. You can further customize the headings for the contact details, addresses, and payment details section of your checkout. Anything you change here will be reflected in the preview. As you can see, the change that I made is now reflected on the checkout. You also have the option to set up a cart abandonment for your checkout. This means that if anyone opens your checkout and enters their email address or other details, but does not complete your checkout, they will be added to the mailing list for the autoresponder that you select. This is useful to retarget those customers who did not complete the purchase. Before you save and close the checkout configuration, you can return to the Product tab, where you can choose to have your checkout in either live or test mode. Live mode is used when your checkout is ready to make purchases and complete payments, whereas test mode can be used if you want to run a test. This will allow you to see whether the product is ready to be purchased and will not charge any credit card that you use. You can use the test Stripe cards provided from the link. Once you're ready, click Save and Close.